Hi guys, welcome back to the Topper Chef channel. Today we are going to make a simple recipe. It's called Phuge Pao. Basically, Phuge Pao is small breads which are blown like a balloon. So in Goa, they used to make it like the small breads, and my mom used to give it for breakfast for us. So for this, we are going to need tapioca flour, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, egg, salt, oil, and milk. Okay, for this first you have to take this milk and this is the milk and combine this with the olive oil. Here you are. And then bring it to a boil. While you're doing that, bring the oven to 200 degrees centigrade and start the oven and get ready. So this is our tapioca flour. To this add salt, and then mix it really well. And I now got my milk and the olive oil to a boil. So you're going to add this gently into this and start mixing this. Okay, so now gently mix this. Doesn't get very lumpy. Okay, so to this I had added one egg which I whisked really well to put it in this flour of mine. The reason is so that the bread gets really nice and fluffy when you beat the eggs. To this now I'm going to get my Parmesan cheese and my mozzarella and gently mix it together so that it really incorporates in the flour. Welcome back to our Topper Chef channel. I'm proceeding to make the balls for the phuge. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so and subscribe to our channel because I bring some nice, fantastic recipes. Here you go. So now this is, just take some olive oil, dip your hand and make some nice small balls, not too big. Okay, then you just make this and make all these balls like this, and then we can proceed and bake this. Not very big, just this size is just right. Okay, so I rolled all the small balls. They shouldn't be very big, and you can also use a scoop like that, which I did with this one. Now you can take this, you don't let it rise or anything, just put it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees centigrade and for 15 to 20 minutes when it browns really good on the top. Okay, so our oven is nice and hot, 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Here you are. Here you are with the bread. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!